Hey, my faithful viewers, how are you doing today? So, not everybody is up on the same level of mechanics as everyone else, and I've been doing this for 20 years, but I'm glad to see that other people are new and novice and want to get involved. So, I'm going to do a couple of tool classes. These are going to be classes just to basically familiarize yourself with what the tool name is, what it looks like, and what its basic functions are, so you can also get started in doing mechanics, save yourself some money, and build yourself some confidence. So let's go see what tool we got today.
So go ahead and look at my basic tool playlist, and you can go ahead and get yourself caught up to speed. But what we're going to go ahead is, this is a more advanced combination wrench here. So this one just so happens to be made in the USA, and it's made by Craftsman. Now I like Craftsman because it's lifetime warranty, so if you break anything that's hand tool like this, you can take it back and they'll swap it out for you for free, or they'll fix it right on the spot. Now, as you see, the open end here is just like a regular wrench, but on this side it looks a little different. What is that? It's got like a gear or something in it. Yes, that's right, it's got a gear in it. So let's say that you're taking this bolt off, and you know, normal wrench, taking the bolt off, putting the bolt on. Sorry, it's inverted. And I don't want to keep doing that, have to then take it, move, and try to find the bolt because it's behind something and I can't see it. So now what I can do is I can put this end on, right? And just keep going. I don't have to take it off the bolt. I don't have to keep finding it. Now in a normal box wrench, you got to put it on, twist it, take it off. Put it on, twist it, take it off. Put it on. It's just repetitious, it's boring, it's crazy. So this one is called a ratcheting wrench because you hear it? Watch, it moves. You see how it moves in there? So you hear the click, 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 and then tight. Click, 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 click. Tight. Click, 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 click. So this does the same as a ratchet. And if you don't know what a ratchet is or how a ratchet works, you can also find that in my toolbox under what basic tools do I need to get started on working on cars. It's the suitcase kit. I talk all about ratchets, wrenches, and basic stuff. So this is a kind of a cheaper one. You see it says on this side, so it only goes this way no matter where you put it. And then if you want it to go off, you see off, now it tight, loose, tight. See, it's going lefty. Now I can't tighten it, so I have to turn it over, and now I can tight, loose, tight, loose. So it kind of helps you out. It's kind of, you know, proof that you can't mess it up here. And this is a 14, so I want to show you what they make a better version of this now. Now this is the upper class Craftsman. You see how it's a little shinier, it looks a little different, looks a little better than this regular like non-polished one. So this is like the lower grade. This is the upper grade. So we still have the open end ratchet here, or open end wrench here. This is a 14, made in the USA, Craftsman, 14. But how do I know which side's on and which side's off? It doesn't say which side's on and which side's off. It just says patent and the patent number and 14. Oh, I don't know. I mean, let's see. Oh, okay, well that's off. Off, easy, off, easy, off, right? So, what's this? Okay, oh no, I can't put it off. So now we're going on. So just like a socket wrench, you can click, because you see it has a tapered head. So if you're on there and you want it to go on, then you can just, oh, I tightened it. Oh man, I gotta take it off. I forgot to put something on there. You just click it the other way, and now you're going off. And now you're going on. Now the reason that they do that is because these ones are a little nicer and they have a tapered head. So if you can't get straight into something, it's in the way, you got a little bit of an angle here. So let's compare them. This is the regular one that doesn't have an on-off switch, and this has the on-off switch. You see the difference? See the switch right here? And this one does not. Now let's look to the side. So this one's bent at 30 degrees. So if I had to get in between something and get a bolt that was just off here to the center a little bit, but there was two pieces, and I'm trying to squeeze the wrench up in there, I'm not going to be able to get it with this one. But if I squeeze the wrench up in there and I cock this to the side a little bit, I might be able to get in there and squeeze in there. Or squeeze in this way. Where this one, you see if the heads are straight, this one's straight down and this one's over. So this is going to save you a lot of money instead of going like this and taking it off and taking it off and taking it off. It's going to save your wrist. I've had carpal tunnel surgery already, I know. Invest a little bit. This is still what I would call a basic tool class. It's just an advanced ratcheting wrench. So get your hand on some of these. If you can only afford these ones, hey, that's great to start. Look, I have them. And then when I have a little more money, I got the switch ones that are angle. Because sometimes I need a 14 and a 14, so I can use them both. Going off to click, 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 click. You know? So thanks for coming to Disturbing Creations, taking my basic tool class. I've got about 15 videos in the class so far. It's growing every day. I just want to say God bless. I'm so happy that you guys are learning tools with me. It makes me feel good. I've been doing this a long time. I'm a great teacher, and I just want to build everyone's confidence so that they can do things and save money just like I do. So God bless you. Hit the like button if I helped you out. If you used these before, leave a comment down below. If you used another brand that you recommend, use a comment down below. If you have a funny story using one of these, please leave a comment down below. Subscribe, share, and we'll see you on our next class. See you later.